Hey mates, so today we're gonna talk about the new iSteady Mobile Plus, which is available now. To be honest, I can't really stress enough lately about the importance of having one gimbal in your inventory. So today we're gonna try to create a few cinematic sequences and we're just gonna see how it works. So without further ado, roll on the video. What we have to keep in mind is that it's a 3-axis gimbal. It also has 600 degrees rotation, which can give you really fun modes in the Joy app. It's the new iteration from HOHEM. It is absolutely necessary to install the app so you can use the face tracking feature. It's also a power bank. Basically, you can charge your phone directly from the gimbal itself. The gimbal battery lasts about 13 hours, which is more than enough to offer you the best cinematic experience